Clear Bra, North Dallas, 24, maybe 24 Fisker. Probably that's what they should be calling it. Maybe a 23. I haven't looked. I just rinsed it all off. We just did a full wrap with a ceramic coating over the top. This is an Ocean. The model is a 1. And that's about it. I'm gonna do a video also on opening that front area. I just rinsed it all down. But let's take a walk around, show you the wrap. We use Stealth film. It's called Stealth by Xpel. Xpel's the leader in paint protection film and high heat rejection window film for automobiles. So let's take a look at the Fisker out of Austria and see what we got. And I'll show you how to take this panel out and lift this hood. It's real simple. But the hood here, all this here, fully wrapped in. Let's get in tight. We don't want any lines. We want to still emulate this satin paint job. So all this gets wrapped around. There won't be any lines on the outside. Be clear, we're not going to leave lines on these panels. So when you wipe the car off later in time, you're going to fray it like that. By wrapping those lines all the way around the side, inside, underneath these panels, they're simple. They just come back. They flex all the time. You can get in them. Wrapping these fuel ports in where you charge the vehicle, no problem. If you have an edge there and you're wiping your car this way, you're going to start to compromise that edge. That is not covered by warranty. That is wear and tear. So that's why at Clear Bra, North Dallas, we choose to wrap all our edges. There's a lot of companies out there that can't wrap edges or don't want to wrap edges, and their thing is it's not safe to do so. It is. It's covered by a written guarantee. You're good. And on my own personal cars, I have a few. They're all fully wrapped, all edges. So if it was something that's not safe, I don't think I would do it on my own car. Moving forward, all this is fully wrapped around. All this is satin black. All the black was done on this. So when I give out an estimate, it's for the paint and for all this gloss black will be separated. So that's a plastic product, but it's a poor quality plastic. It doesn't handle our heat well. So the Ford trucks, the GM trucks, and whatever cars have that gloss, it's rough in the sun. So with the PPF over it, it'll always stay new and it's not going to get scuffed. Coming back here, again, wrapping in all these areas. We didn't take any of these taillights out. We're not going to take this whole car apart for that. We can get in there plenty fine and getting around all this, getting these letters off and wrapping in these indentations, taking off the Model 1, no problem, and putting it back. It's just two-way tape. And wrapping under all this rubber. It's very flexible, so it's not hard for me to take a very thin card to help that film get underneath all these edges. So you have the perfect install. And wrapping in here, no problem. So let's look a little bit more at our edges back here on the rear and our light areas. I mean, it's a great car to wrap. This is with the Stealth film, no different than gloss, but nice body on the car. Everything looks fantastic. The build was great. They drove it in from, I think it was Louisiana. They did get a rock chip. They're going to come out and repair that, a company. So that's the problem. If they would have trailered it, I think it would have been better. I'm talking about Fisker. This thing was driven in. But that's no big deal. That's about the only bite that it had. It has this cool solar panel on top. I think that is just the best. If your car can charge as you're driving, there you go. I love that. I like that way better over a Tesla. The car's fantastic. I think it gives Tesla a big run for its money. We just got to see how it does. And let me show you some more on this side. Passenger side, all underneath the rubber. Inside here, nice and tight. So everything's covered, written guarantees, everything's fantastic. I charge them while they're here. There's our charger, there's our block. No big deal, don't worry about that. Cars are safe, alarm facility, fully insured. It's Sunday night, 8 o'clock, and I need to get out of here. So 23, let me see what this thing says. I don't know if they're calling 23 or 24, I apologize. Let's just go with 24. It's probably 23, but just got here brand new a few days ago, so there it is. Hope you guys enjoy it. Fisker's on a roll. They're building cars, so enjoy. ClearBraNorthDallas.com.